Hi, it's Cindy A. Lewis. Another quick DIY for you. We're going to take this little squirrel and put him on a pumpkin with some leaves, and maybe we're going to give him a little scarf. I saw this on Crafty Girl. She did something similar, and then there was something on Pier 1 that they have actually at a very, very high price. So I have this carvable pumpkin from the Dollar Tree, and we're going to remove this tag and this stem just like this, and then we're going to also, this cute squirrel that I picked up at Hobby Lobby, he's adorable, right? And we're going to remove his tag. He was 40% off. He was with the fall items. And basically what I want to do first is I want to put some leaves hanging over, maybe like this, and then we're going to glue him on top. And I think that'll look very adorable. So sorry about my hand being in the way, so let's do that. Okay, so now we've got the squirrel glued on with a few leaves. And if you have any imperfections in your carvable pumpkin from the Dollar Tree, just cover it up with leaf and you'll be fine. Now I'm going to take this, it's about 14 inches from tip to tip, and I'm going to fold it in half and make our little squirrel a little scarf. Now for this squirrel, 14 inches is just fine, but if you have a smaller one or a larger one, you're going to want a different amount of ribbon. Now this ribbon is wired, so it's easy to maneuver, so I don't think I need to even put any glue on this side, but I am going to put a dab right here where the knot is. Then in case I want to change it for something else. And there he is. Let me back it up so you can see him. He's adorable. So our fall letters are drying back there, which is another DIY. And here is our cute little squirrel with his scarf and his pine cone on his pumpkin. He looks adorable. And thank you for the ideas. To Crafty Girl had a great idea. Pier 1 had a great idea. I love it. And it was really inexpensive. So I hope I've inspired you to create.